Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to get blue tick on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. So in order to get the blue tick on Instagram, you have to get verified first. So open your Instagram, and the first thing we need to do is go ahead and search for your favorite celebrity that is also verified. For example, I'm just gonna search Justin Bieber here. And as you can see, you have the verified tick right there. And then go ahead and tap the three dots at the top right corner and then copy profile URL. Okay, now go back to your profile and this time tap the three lines at the top right corner. And then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down, tap on account type and tools, and then tap on request verification. Now, enter your full name here and choose a document type. I'm gonna use national ID for example. After filling out your name and uploading the document type, go to step 2 and select the category. And here I'm just gonna choose gamer. And then select your country and then scroll down again. In the link sections, fill in the tree linked and paste the profile URL that you've just copied a while ago. After all that's done, go ahead and submit. Now, the only thing left to do is to wait and hope for the best. So I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.